Technical advances in female humanoid robots are accelerating. There are many well-known and pricey fembots on the market. Below, we'll detail a number of female humanoid robots and the astounding prices recently made public. Before we begin, welcome to channel H Robot, where we update you on every exciting development and mind-blowing insight in robots, artificial intelligence, and future technology. So please subscribe and hit the bell notification for a ton of exciting robot content coming your way now. Without further ado, let's get started. Number 1. Erika. One of the most well-known humanoid robots in Japan, Erika serves as a talking companion for elderly people who live alone and want to have casual conversations and discussions. Erika is part of a 5-year research effort to develop a talking robot for Japan's elderly population. A team created Erika under the direction of Hiroshi Ishiguro, a professor at the University of Osaka and Kohei Ogawa. Ishiguro has long been an advocate for robotics and has created a number of humanoids, including one in his own image. Ishiguro built Erika's facial features using photographs of 30 beautiful women whose facial expressions when responding to questions are breathtakingly human-like. Erika's ability to respond to questions is also improved. Although unable to move, Erika is sitting with detectors strategically placed around the room to let her hear and identify voices speaking to her. What's fascinating is that Ishiguro claims that Erika has her own soul. Tell me that doesn't sound weird. Nevertheless, Erika is revolutionizing robotics in Japan. She may also help the country's economy because, according to Ishiguro, the fembot would fetch about $200,000 if it were available for purchase. Number 2. Gia Gia. With its graceful form, Gia Gia might be the future workforce. Experts reportedly created the robot at Hefei University in China. She can blink, nod, and respond to questions, but her artificial intelligence level causes some lag, making her similar to the majority of bored receptionists, right? Gia Gia is a robot that can have rudimentary conversations and imitate certain facial expressions on command. According to her creator, the lifelike robot signals the start of a future of cyborg work. A group of engineers from China's University of Science and Technology developed the country's first robot that resembled a human being. The team leader of Gia Gia, Chen, predicted that artificial intelligence or AI robots like Gia Gia would start carrying out various menial tasks in Chinese restaurants, nursing homes, hospitals, and homes within a decade. Chen predicts that there will be a wide range of robot applications in China in the next 5 to 10 years. Gia Gia seems to be a person with flowing black hair, wearing traditional Chinese clothing, yet her allure isn't limitless. Simple questions can occasionally stump her, said the team, which had made encouraging strides in enhancing her artificial intelligence. Over the past 2 years, she has developed basic conversational skills, the ability to discuss the weather, and the ability to recognize the gender of her interrogators. The retail price of Gia Gia is not known since it has some shortcomings. When they overcome it, it would surely cost more than Shalu, that is $710. Since it's intended to be used in healthcare sectors, it would be in the price range of $100,000. Number 3. Chihira Kane. The newest iteration of Toshiba's Chihira robot was unveiled at a tech conference in Berlin. To demonstrate what it hopes will turn into a lucrative tourist product, Toshiba brought the Chihira robot for the ITB Travel Exhibition. The device responds to visitor questions and is situated at an information desk. The creators of these Chihira robots said that once they were available for sale, the prices of each Chihira robot would be competitive with those of Lamborghinis, suggesting that the development of these robots in the future might be beneficial not only for tourism, but also for further technological advancement. This indicates that the robots can be purchased for between $200,000 and $500,000 each. The hotel and travel sectors can think about using one of these robots to enhance the uniqueness of the visitor experience across other nations. Number 4. Humanoid F. On the list, this is Ishiguro's second fembot. Japan recently unveiled Humanoid F, a female android that can smile, frown, and change facial emotions more naturally than Ishiguro's earlier androids. On the project, engineers from the Ishiguro team and the Kokoro company in Japan worked together. Kokoro is a Japanese company that specializes in animatronics and incredibly lifelike androids. They aim to produce an android that could exhibit a variety of natural gestures without using as many actuators as some of the other androids they had previously created. Ishiguro demonstrated how the robot could mimic facial expressions when a woman sat in front of a computer equipped with cameras and face-tracking software during a news briefing in Osaka. Not just any smile, but one with teeth, as Kokoro noted, was what they were going for with the android. According to Kokoro, which will sell prototypes of the Humanoid app for about 100 million yen or $110,000, the improved design also helped reduce the Android cost. Ishiguro and his companions want to test the Android in hospitals and show it off at science museums and other places. The robot is not currently available for purchase, but it holds great promise for advancing robotic technology in the near future. Number 5. Sophia and her little sister. Sophia is the first humanoid in Saudi Arabia to be granted full citizenship with more privileges than any other woman. She's a female social android created by Hanson Robotics in Hong Kong. She has given countless interviews, performed in concerts, and been featured in Elle magazine, making her the press darling of the country. Audrey Hepburn and Dr. Hanson's wife influenced Sophia's personality and appearance. Her face is made of rubber and covered in a patented nanotech skin that can mimic human physiology and recreate human-like facial features and behaviors. She's supposed to be able to exhibit 62 different emotional responses by giving robots emotional and logical intelligence. She can convincingly grin and move her eyes, mouth, and head. Hanson wants to make sure that intelligent robots can serve and draw attention while forming deep ties with people, not as a threat to civilization, but as a tool to address some of our most pressing issues. Sadly, she's not for sale. However, you can get her younger sister for a price between $99 and $149 US. Sophia is a 14-inch tall robot friend who makes learning about STEM coding and artificial intelligence exciting and rewarding for kids ages 8 and up, especially young ladies. Sophia is a programmable educational partner for kids who can teach them about coding, artificial intelligence, science, technology, engineering, and arithmetic through a safe, fun human-robot interaction. Sophia can walk, talk, sing, play, and crack jokes like her older sister. Unlike most instructional toys made by toy companies, Small Sophia was produced by the same renowned programmers, engineers, roboticists, and AI scientists who made Sophia the robot. Number 6. Shalu. Shalu is India's first female humanoid robot and was made by Dinesh Patel, who is from a small Indian town. She can speak 47 languages, including 9 Indian and 38 foreign languages. Dinesh Patel made sure that common people could view Shalu and naturally interact with her from all over the world and from different parts of India. After several arduous years of labor and attempts, Dinesh's ambition to build a humanoid robot out of 100 abandoned waste goods, including plastic, wood, cardboard, and metal components, succeeded. With object recognition, the Indian humanoid robot can accurately respond to physics, chemistry, mathematics, English, and geography questions. Face recognition technology enables the robot to recognize and recall individuals. Shalu can mimic human movements and mannerisms thanks to her flexible hands. She can also provide visitors with a 10-day weather forecast for various areas. Pratishta World Records book recognized Pratishta as the world's first artificially intelligent social and educational humanoid robot built from waste by an Indian World Record organization authorized by the Indian Ministry of Corporate Affairs. Robot Shalu has also been listed in the India Book of Records and the Asia Book of Records as the humanoid robot with the most languages it has learned. Patel spent 50,000 Indian rupees, or about $710 to construct the Shalu prototype, which is somewhat astounding. Although Shalu's retail price information could not be located, the project's overall cost demonstrates Patel's creativity by making the most of a small budget. We're a long way from the future depicted in Netflix's Altered Carbon, but that doesn't mean we aren't accomplishing remarkable things in technology, artificial intelligence, and robotic design as mankind approaches its zenith. Many people feel nervous when a robot resembles a person more closely, as long as they can tell the two apart. Academics and business people forecast that human-like intelligent robots may one day surpass human intellect, free the human race from labor, and start addressing concerns like hunger and poverty. They may even help with the treatment of diseases. Robots with artificial intelligence will aid in the emergence of a new futuristic period unmatched in human history. What are your views on these incredible fembots? Let's know in the comment section below.